Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I am Dr. Bhumika Makhuri. Let's look at today's top medical news. Could skipping carbohydrates be as effective as skipping meals? Reducing carbohydrate intake even without cutting overall calories may deliver the same metabolic benefits as intermittent fasting, according to new research from the University of Surrey. Published in the European Journal of Nutrition, the study suggests a less restrictive alternative to popular fasting diets. Researchers observed adults aged 20 to 65 who were classified as overweight or obese. Participants were asked to follow 3 different diet plans on separate days: a standard diet with typical carbohydrate levels, a low-carb diet with regular calorie intake, and a low-carb diet with significant calorie restriction. Remarkably, both low-carb diets led to measurable improvements in metabolic markers, regardless of calorie reduction. The study found that reducing carbohydrates helped lower levels of triglycerides, fats in the blood linked to heart disease, and prompted the body to shift toward burning fat for energy, a metabolic effect commonly associated with short-term fasting. New guidelines for managing obesity in children, CMAJ. A new guideline to help healthcare providers manage obesity in children and adolescents takes a patient-centered approach, emphasizing behavioral and psychological supports that focus on outcomes valued by patients and their families. The guideline, based on the latest evidence, is published in Canadian Medical Association Journal. It was developed by Obesity Canada through an extensive 4-year-long collaboration involving adolescents and caregivers with lived obesity experience, methodologists, healthcare providers, and more than 50 multidisciplinary experts. These outcomes include quality of life, mental health, related cardiovascular risk factors, avoiding harms, and more. Pediatric obesity is a complex, chronic, progressive, and stigmatized condition that increases risk for more than 200 health conditions. International data indicate that severe obesity appears to be on the rise globally. Keto diet may not increase heart disease risk despite higher LDL, study finds. A new study has concluded that the spike in LDL cholesterol often seen in people on the ketogenic diet does not necessarily increase their risk of heart disease, provided they are otherwise metabolically healthy. Published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology, Advances, the research followed 100 adults classified as lean mass hyperresponders, LMHRs, individuals who experienced significant increases in LDL and apolipoprotein B, ApoB, levels while on a ketogenic diet. Despite these elevated markers, participants maintained healthy blood pressure, low triglycerides, low body fat, low insulin resistance, and high HDL, good cholesterol, over the course of 1 year. The study found no link between the increased cholesterol and heart disease risk in these individuals. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest update.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.